Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about inheritance in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, inheritance allows the child class to inherit the properties and the methods of the parent class. So we can use the new ES6 extends keyword, which simplifies the process of inheritance. So let's now see how we can inherit properties from the parent class into the child class using one example. So suppose we have one class vehicle, and inside the constructor we have the speed as a parameter, which initializes the speed property, and also we have one move method. So this method just simply console log vehicle moving, and it shows the speed of that vehicle. Now also we can create one class car, and the car class can inherit the properties and the methods from the vehicle class by using inheritance. So we can write car extends vehicle, and then inside the car we can have the constructor which can take the speed parameter. Now because the car is extending the vehicle class, it must pass this speed parameter to the parent class constructor. So for this we have to write super. So the super is going to invoke the parent class constructor. So here inside we can pass the speed parameter. So the speed will be passed to the parent class constructor to initialize the speed property. Now we can create one object of the car class. So we have to write new car, and here inside we have to pass the speed. So we can pass 100. Now because the car class is extending the vehicle class, so we can use the object of the car class and we can access the properties and methods of the vehicle class. So we can write c1 dot move, and here we have the output. So this is the way we can use the extends keyword, and we can extend or inherit the properties and methods from the parent class into the child class. And also we can override the parent method inside the child method. So suppose the child class have the method called move, which just console log car moving. So because the child class method and the parent class method have the same name, so in that case the child class object will always invoke the child version of that method. So you can see we have the output car moving, because the parent class method is overridden by the child class method. Now in this situation also we can invoke this parent class method. For this we have to use the super keyword. So we have to write super dot the parent class method name. It will invoke the parent class move method. So you can see we have the output. And also with inheritance we can inherit the static members from the parent class. So suppose we have one static method greet, and it just simply console logs welcome. Now because of the inheritance, the static members also inherited in the child class. Now to invoke the static member we don't need any object, so we can directly use the name of the class to invoke the static members. So we can write car dot greet. So we are directly using the name of the class to invoke the static members of the class. So you can see we have the output. And also we can use the inheritance, and we can inherit the properties and methods from the built-in classes. Like an example, we have the array class, and also we have the string class, we have the map class. So we can inherit from all of these classes, and we can access their properties and methods in our class. Like an example, we're going to create one class myString. Now this class will extend the string class, which is a built-in class. Now because we are extending the string class, we will be able to use all the properties and methods of the string class. So here inside our class we are just gonna simply create one method upper, which just simply console logs the upper version of the string. So we're gonna use two uppercase. So the two uppercase method is inherited from the string class. So now we can create one object. So we have to write new myString, and here inside we have to pass one string like hello, and then we can use the object and we can call the upper method, and it will convert this string to uppercase. And you can see here we have the output. So because we are extending the string class, that's why we are able to use the two uppercase method. So this is the way we can inherit properties and methods from the parent class into the child class with the help of inheritance. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.